Welcome to Smart Science. We are going to learn new lesson water for every household. Can you recall what are the different purposes for which we need water? Children, living things needs water. Living thing cannot live without water. Water is required for all living things, plants, animals, birds. They require water. They cannot live without water. Can you tell the picture below shows some container used for storing water at home? Which of these have come into use more recently? What material are used to make this different container? What are the advantages of having a lid and tap on the container? Children, water is very essential in our daily life. But you must store the water. You can see at home you are storing the water in water tank, drum, tank, steel tank, earthen pot, etc. We are keeping the water in water tank and plastic container, etc. You must use the water carefully. We should not waste the water. Living thing need water. Living thing cannot live without water. Children, we cannot survive our life without water. You must store the water very well. Water play an important role in our daily life. Children, where we keep water? We keep water in earthen pot, in aquacard. You can see plastic aquacard, in steel tank, and steel tank you can see earthen pot, plastic tank. These are the things where we store the water. Water play an important role in our daily life. At home, where we are storing the water in water tank, earthen pot, and plastic container, you can see an earthen pot, plastic container and utensil. Steel tank you can see and plastic tank where we are storing the water. If we store the water, that we can use it very well. Water used for washing, bathing, watering plant, drinking, washing vegetables and mopping, etc. Water play an important role in our daily life. You must store the water in earthen pot, plastic container, steel tank and earthen pot, etc. We need water all the time. We have to store water in the house so that we can get it when we need it. Earlier, brass and copper pots as well as earthen pot were used to store water. Children, as we seen in the earlier picture, people used to store the water in brass pot and copper pots, earthen pot, etc. Ask your parents and grandparents for the name which these different pots were known. Children, in earlier, people used to store the water in earthen pot and brass pot and copper pot. People also build tank in their houses there in store water. Nowadays, steel or plastic also used to make different container for storing the water. Children, in earlier life, people used to store the water in earthen pot and brass pot, in water tank and plastic tank, etc. But nowadays, people are building the tank in their bathroom, in their kitchen. People are making the water tank, steel tank, plastic tank in their houses, in their kitchen. People people use the water for their daily needs. Water play an important in our daily life, but you must use the water very well. We should store the water very well. Where we are storing the water in earthen pot, in brass pot, copper pot, steel tank and plastic tank, there we can utilize the water. We can consume the water very well. For that thing, what we can store the water in earthen pot, in brass pot, etc. Care of drinking water. You can see the picture of pot. There one boy is removing the water from the tap. To ensure good hygiene, you must have safe drinking water. If you consume contaminated water, it can cause disease. That's why we take special care of the water we store for drinking and cooking. Children, at home you are keeping the water in earthen pot. You can see this pot. In that pot, tap also is there. That one boy is using the water, but you must boil the water because it's good for health because we are drinking water every day in our daily life. We are using water for drinking and cooking, cleaning, washing vessels, etc. So that we should boil the water. We keep the drinking water container cover. You can see the picture of pot, that is cover. This prevent dust and other rubbish for entering the water. If we dip our hands in the water to take it out, and the dirt on our hands can enter the water. Here we can see you must use the water taps, that you can remove the water very easily. So use a dipper to take the water and we replace the lid at once. You can see in that picture one boy, he is using the dipper for removing the water, that we can remove the water easily. But the best method of taking water is to have a tap on the container. What is the best method for removing the water? Tap. Tap must be in our pot, that we can remove the water very easily. This way it becomes easier to take the water and also prevent contamination. When the water in a container is finished, we wash the container well before refilling it. If we take such care, drinking water remains clean. Children, you must take care of the water. Before drinking, you must boil the water, then you should keep in a earthen pot. Do you know water does not become stale? Some people believe that previous day drinking water must be thrown away and fresh water stored every day because the previous day water becomes stale. But this is misconception. Throwing away that water amount to wasting good water. We should use drinking water for other purpose only if get dirty due to some reason. Children, living things cannot live without water. Water plays an important role in our daily life. Water is very essential in our life. You use every day water for drinking, cooking, washing clothes, washing utensils, mopping, cleaning, watering plants, etc. All living things require water. People can be, if you do not use water, human being die. Use your brain power. Why people have begun to use plastic or steel container for storing water? Children, now, why people are using plastic or steel container for storing the water? Children, in that plastic container there is a more capacity to keep the water, that we can easily store the water in plastic container as well as steel container. Where there we can keep the water, we can store the water in plastic container as well as steel container. Very well. For that purpose we can use the water in our daily life. Here you can see the picture. Try this at home. Do this under adult supervision. Take a plastic bottle. Cut off its upper narrow portion. Make 4 small holes on the 4 side of the bottle near its base. Here you can see there is a plastic. Here we made 4 holes, and now cut a spent ball pen refill into 4 pieces. Fix one piece into each of the 4 holes tightly. Here you can see the picture of, you can do this experiment at home very well. What you have to use yourself, you have to use take a plastic ball and cut off its upper narrow portion and make 4 small pieces on the 4 side of the bottle near its base. Cut a spent ball pen into 4 pieces. Fix one piece into 4 forks and tightly. Children, do this experiment at home, then we'll come to know you can distribute the water in different way. Here we can see how people are using this method, that if you are keeping the water in a container in dams, if you are storing the water in water tanks, in big tanks and tank, that we can distribute the water in different city, that people can utilize the water very well. Now fill the bottle with water. What do you see? Water flow from all the 4 tips. What does this tell us? Using pipes, we can distribute the water stored in one place to several different peoples at the same time. Children, what you can see, if you are using the plastic bottle with water and we are doing the 4 holes in that, and you are using the pipes For that purpose, you can utilize the water in different city. You can distribute the water in different places from one place to another place. That people can utilize the water very well for their daily purpose. Large cements or plastic tanks are installed on the roofs of big building. Water from this tank can be piped to the kitchens, bathroom, toilet in the building. When taps are fitted on the pipe, water can be taken or shut according to the need. This is how water from just one tank can be obtained several places in a building at the same time. Children, as we know, water every day, water is essential in our daily life. But what happened in some cities, people are using plastic tank for storing the water and they are distributing the water from one place to another place. For that people can utilize water supply for a human settlement. Lakes, rivers, reservoirs are source of water. They are often at long distance from houses. It is difficult to collect water from such distant places. Besides, we cannot be sure that the water can be used as it is for drinking. As you know, water play an important role in our daily life. People use water for drinking. People are storing the water in water dam. You can see the picture of dam. That's why a large water source is identified a near settlement. Water from its brow through large pipe to a common place. That the water is made for safe for drinking. This is called purification of water. Arrangements are made to distribute this water all over the town or city. This is called distribution of water. Children, how people are distributing water from one place to another place for their daily purpose. People are storing water tanks, dams. For that is the purification of water is arrangement is made. Children, if your water is coming from the dam, so children, we should not drink that water. We should boil the water before drinking. Then over there purification method arrangement is made for distribution of water. Can you tell when we draw water into spray pump from a bucket of water, in which direction does the water flow? Children, can you tell if you are taking one glass of water and we are distributing into spray pump from one bucket of water, so which direction will come? Direction here we can see different. We can distribute the water in all circular motion. How we get water from the rain? So we can distribute the water from the circular motion. Water tanks are at height. We know that water flow from downwards. If we want to lift water upward, we have to use some force. To do that, we need to use machine. Machine used for lifting water are called pump. Pumps run on diesel and electricity. Here you can see water towers are made. For that you are using machine for lifting the water. That is called pumps. Nowadays pumps type machine is come that works on diesel or electricity. Before electricity was discovered, it was not possible to raise water to every great height. But electric pumps can help us to do us. Such tanks are used to store water that leave the water for purification. Children, nowadays technologies come that we can utilize the water from one place to another place. According to need, water is raised from this tank through the big pipe. This pipe branches out into many smaller pipes which lead the water to different areas around the large water tank. In a particular area, the pipe branches out into smaller pipes which take water to every house. In some place, there are 2-3 common taps for the whole area. People living in that area there to fill water for their families. Children, now technologies come. People's lives become very advanced in our daily life. Then how we use the water. If water is coming from the dam, if water tank is coming, over there we are distributing the water from one place to another place. For that you are using the pipe for distributing the water to the cities that people can utilize in their daily purpose. Here now in some places you can see nowadays tap in the tap system is made, that if you can, how much water you want to use you can use it. If you don't want to use, you can close the tap from the container. Nowadays people are storing the water in water tank, plastic tank, aqua type machine is come. Now before drinking you must boil the water. You should not waste the water. If you are keeping the water, if you are storing the water in water tank, earthen pot, plastic tank, steel tank, utensil, etc. For that people can utilize the water very well for their daily purpose. Water used for drinking, cleaning, bathing, watering plants and washing vegetables and washing clothes, mopping, etc. Water play an important role in our daily life. Here you can see journey of water from source to house. Here how people use the water, where they are storing the water tower you can see the picture of. For then they are purifying the water, sources of water that the settlement is made, how people are using. Then they are purifying the water from the machine that work on electricity. Then see the picture of houses. Over there they are distributing the water. Now once again teacher is telling you journey of water from source to house. See, if your water is coming from the rain, then people are using water tower. People are keeping the water in water dam. For that machine people are using for making water tower. Then they are purifying the water from the machine that work on diesel and electricity. From that we are distributing the water from one place to another place. Here you can see the picture of houses. Over there people are using for their daily purpose. Water they are using for daily purpose. Human being cannot live without water. Hence necessary to have source of water as close as possible to where we live. That is why in olden days cities grew on the bank of the big river. There are many such cities in our country. Delhi is the capital of our country. It is situated on the bank of the river Yamuna in North India. Patna on the banks of the Ganga in Bihar. Nasik in Maharashtra on the bank of the Godavari are other example of such Asian cities. Children, as teachers earlier has said, human being cannot live without water. Water play an important role in our daily life. Every day we are always using the water. Water sources use water used for eating, or water is used for eating, drinking, cleaning utensil, washing vegetables, washing clothes, mopping, watering plants. Animals cannot live without water. Water play an important role in our daily life. But people are storing the water in water dam. That earlier we had learned. People are storing the water in water dam. Then they are distributing the water pipe, water tank that work on electricity. Then they are distributing the water from one place to another place for their daily purpose. But before drinking, you must boil the water, because you should drink the water before you should drink the water. Even today in some places water is drawn from wells or bore wells for use at home. That is core bore vault. So that water sometimes it become very salty in taste, that people are removing from the wells. Here you can see the picture of in earlier life people used to remove the water from the wells. You can see the picture of village that people are removing the water from the well. But it need to be ensured that the water is potable. That if it is not, then it should be boiled for the purpose of drinking, so that it will not endanger our health. In some places water supply by transporting it means of tanker. Now children, what you learn? In earlier life in this village, people used to remove the water from the wells. You can see the picture of wells, that people are removing the water from the wells. But that water contains lots of germs. Before drinking, you must boil that water. Children, you had drunk that's salty water, river water. It tastes in salty, but you should boil the water before drinking. That it kill the germs it kills the germ. Nowadays water tanker is come. See that distributing the water from one place to another place for their daily purpose. Here we can see the picture of water tank that contains lots of water, that it's made for, it will become water tanker supplier. Now it's supplying from one place to another place for their daily purpose. Can you tell how much water required in your house every day? Who fill this water? Children at home, every day water is coming at your houses. But we required lots of water because you can in some places few members are there. In some places more members are there. They required for their daily needs as per according to their uses. But who fill the water? As I know, at your home, your mama fill the water in the morning, or your sister, anybody, whoever at home, then who fill the water. Try this. Take an empty bucket, lift it to get an idea of the weight. Now half fill it with water. See how much heavy it's become. Children, if you are using the bucket, you are filling the water in that, then you can use it how much water it take the weight. It must be quite hard chore to carry bucket of water from one place to another. Don't you agree? Remember how much water you need in your house. Now you can understand how much work is done to fill that much water. Children, just earlier we had learned water play an important role in our daily life. We should not waste the water. If water is coming every day from the houses, then you should store the water in water tank, plastic tank, earthen pot, etc. That we can store the water for their daily purpose. But here we can do the experiment at home. Take a empty bucket and fill with water, and then measure the weight of the water, how much it contains from water. But it must be quite to handle the weight of the container that we can distribute from one place to another. But do you agree? Can you do this at home? That we can know. We can see everywhere people use water according to their purpose, according to daily needs. Some people use more water, some people use their less water for their daily purpose. How much is required for their daily life? Water used for drinking, cleaning, washing, etc. You should boil the water before drinking. So children, enjoy this lesson at home. Please share and like my videos and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos.